Now, we're about to go to our first kind of plenary discussion on the subject of ethics and regulation. But before that, we just wanted to bring in an international dimension, and we're very pleased to have a contribution from Dr. Janil Puthucheary, who is the Senior Minister of State for Communication and Information for the Government of Singapore, who's going to provide us with an insight in terms of how the Singaporean government is looking at some of these issues. And at that point, I think I say roll VT or something similar. I hope this works. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and greetings from Singapore. Thank you for inviting me to join you at the Digital Ethics Summit. You have an exciting lineup of panel discussions on trust in tech, data, and AI, artificial intelligence. I was asked to speak about Singapore's approach to maintaining trust in the digital domain. Businesses and government need to strengthen trust in our digital services and products. We collaborate closely with industry to develop standards and regulations and to implement solutions. We have to leverage on the best possible talent, wherever it is, and take advantage of the innovation and entrepreneurship of the private sector in this highly dynamic environment. AI is a set of rapidly evolving technologies with potentially significant benefits and risks. Singapore recognizes that industry will need to be given the space to innovate, and we have taken a balanced approach in regulating AI. We developed a voluntary model AI governance framework in collaboration with industry to provide businesses with a reference on how best to deploy AI responsibly. This is a pragmatic approach by guiding businesses to show that their uses of AI are explainable, transparent, and fair. We can help businesses build trust in AI-based solutions. We took a step further to work with industry to develop AI Verify, the world's first AI governance testing framework and toolkit. Through technical tests and process checks, AI Verify is Singapore's practical and objective approach to demonstrate responsible use. Currently a minimum viable product, we welcome interested organizations to further develop AI Verify with us. Another role for government is to support industry in securing cyberspace. In Singapore, we have the Cybersecurity Industry Call for Innovation, which provides funds and networking opportunities for cybersecurity companies to co-develop novel solutions together with us. This has helped to generate innovative solutions to real-world cybersecurity challenges. For example, a UK-based company, CyberOwl, will be developing an automated solution to detect vulnerabilities in computer systems on board shipping vessels. This will help ship operators manage and respond to cybersecurity incidents while out at sea. We can't expect a cybersecurity professional to be stationed on every ship. Collaboration with industry and stakeholders is certainly necessary, but not sufficient. The industry, especially smaller businesses, will need to enhance capabilities to implement best practices to maintain digital trust and safety. Singapore has been investing in privacy-enhancing technologies, or PETs, which are tools and processes that enable businesses to extract value from data without exposing the data itself. These PETs provide businesses opportunities to develop useful AI systems. For instance, banks can pool data and build AI models for better fraud detection while protecting their customers' identity and financial information. Earlier this year, we launched a privacy-enhancing technology regulatory sandbox to help enterprises pilot PETs when they use data on their own or in partnership with other entities. Getting all this right will require international partnerships, especially to enhance interoperability. There is an increasing global trust deficit. It is important for the international community to promote the use of technology for social and economic growth in a stable and open environment. One pragmatic and useful area of cross-border cooperation is in having data flow freely with trust. For businesses which need inter- and intra-company transfers across a wider region, we have the APEC Cross-Border Privacy Rules System, or CBPR. This certification bridges differing privacy laws in APEC and reduces the barriers to data flows. As one of the founding members of the Global CBPR Forum, Singapore is also working with partners to take the CBPR system global. This means one common certification for data transfers across many economies in and beyond APEC, making seamless global data flows a possibility. In addition, we're working with the UK on a mutual agreement to enable even more seamless data transfers at the country-to-country level. Cybersecurity is another important area where governments must work together. We can and should establish mutually recognized cybersecurity standards. Singapore recently signed a mutual recognition arrangement with Germany on the cybersecurity labels issued by both countries to rate smart devices on their level of cybersecurity. By mutually recognizing each other's schemes, manufacturers of these smart devices will benefit from improved access to new markets. Customers can also select from a wider range of trusted digital products. Finally, let me reiterate that everyone has a part to play to maintain trust in the digital domain. That trust is essential to ensure that we all benefit from the possibilities and opportunities afforded by rapid technological developments. And it will require all of us to work closely together. On that note, I wish you all insightful and fruitful discussions ahead. Thank you very much.
And our sincere thanks to our colleagues in Singapore. I think the reason why we wanted to include that segment is that clearly, these are issues that do not sit within national domains, and international cooperation and the dialogue around these digital ethics issues are of really fundamental importance. And we're very pleased at Tech UK to have had a really strong dialogue with the Singaporean government over the last 18 months or so as we sort of think through some of these issues.